Want to unlock a seamless and secure way to get paid for your creative work directly by your awesome community? First, head over to Kofi and sign up for a free account. Why Euro is super quick and easy to get started. Think of it as your personalized tip jar and online shop for your creations. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Kofi settings. Look for a section typically labeled Payment Settings or something similar. This is where the magic happens. You'll find an option to connect with Stripe. Stripe is a trusted and secure payment processor that handles all the financial transactions. Click on the Connect with Stripe button. This will redirect you to Stripe's secure authorization page. If you already have a Stripe account, simply log in. If not, you can easily create a new account right here. Stripe will ask for necessary business information to comply with financial regulations. Don't worry, it's a standard and secure process. After you've authorized the connection, you'll be redirected back to Kofi. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your Stripe account is successfully linked. Now, when your fans and followers click on your Kofi donate button or purchase something from your shop, the payments will be processed securely through Stripe and deposited directly into your connected bank account. You can track all your earnings and manage your payouts directly within your Kofi dashboard, and that's it. You're all set to receive support and grow your creative business using the power of Kofi and Stripe.